Hello everyone, welcome to FineReport YouTube channel. This is Alex, and in lesson 9 we already introduced some basic cell operators functions, how to refer to different cell and different value, as well as how to customize data source. And today we may have some advanced session. It looks scary, but don't worry, we'll go through it, and once you understand the logic and syntax, it's pretty easy. Let's go back to the FineReport. We may save our time, just make use of uh, the data source SQL, and we create a new one. Right? I think till now you're already pretty familiar with how FineReport works. And without condition, we add one more. 010. We get another one. This is just nothing. I trying to save time because I add 1 year here, as you can see. Right now we create a data source, trying to make it speed up a little bit. So once again, the layout is same as Windows version, so you don't have to worry. I'm using Mac. Sometimes it's just a preference, personal, nothing, not trying to promote which PC work out for you. And we put some color, very basic colors, not everyone. Okay. There we go. We get the color. Right, we want this one as a summary. We're putting another cell, total number of months for fee bigger than $400. We're trying to understand how many one, and let's take a look how it looks like. Right, okay, the value, set currency, save, refresh. Right, this is what we want to see here. And now we want to do one more function. We just accumulate the value at the bottom of this each row. So until June, it will accumulate the whole half year value. By the way, why the total month fee is up to 400 only display here, not in the between? Because we never set the left parent as year. If we do, you will see here's another one. And now that's why I'm saying now we are putting a formula here. It's the first formula in the PowerPoint. B2 value plus C2. What does it mean? It means the D2 value. Which D2? It means B2 column 1, this previous P2. That means D2 value as previous this row, the C2 value, right? It's just a parameter for you. If you are trying to do some programming, I think this is pretty easy for you to understand. Right? You can check the formula. Okay. Then again, we put in some currency here, a value, and center color, save. Now you can see it's accumulate, right? And then for some case, especially in some financial or some carriers, in the next year 2011, people want to see this year instead of 601, they want to see the value continue from 2747. It's just the cell add up instead of 6001. They were trying to show 601 plus 2747. And how do we do that? Commutation continue over here. I'm just trying to expand a little bit. Now we're creating another formula, which means an if condition, right? If the current B2 current value is number bigger than 1, is bigger than January, then it's same as previous formula. Otherwise, it will be previous D2. The rest is the same. It's just if it's the January, it will become previous D2 value plus C2, right? So how do we refer this D2 out? This D2 means the year, A2, last year, and B2, the last value, then plus C2, right? Then you will see that. We put some color here. Until now, you can see the January already add up this value 2747, right? So pretty simple, right? You can see again, and later you can try your own. Here I want trying to calculate how many months is over 400. We may put some color here. You right click, you have condition attribute, you're trying to add condition attribute, your properties, you may, well, how do you say, let's see, we try like the background. We try to current cell assign a small background for the color over, for the 400 over 400, right? Equals, no, not equals, the greater than 400, right? This is condition. You will see, you will highlight how many, 1 2 3 4, and we want to calculate this showing 4, and here 1 2 3 4 also 4. And how do we set up this? We need to count. The formula is here. We need to count how many. We need to count B2 columns. How many B2? All B2 values with condition that A2 equals current A2, just means the current year, we don't calculate the last year. And this is 2, it becomes the end condition. C2 is bigger than 400. Pretty simple, right? As long as you understand of the meaning, it's actually very easy to understand. How do you see the FineReport and it's pretty simple, easy to catch up, right? You can do formattings, want to bold this one, right? Everything is configurable. So I hope you understand. This is 100, 200, doesn't matter, right? You can change this, understand these formulas, what's the meaning and how to make use of it. And once again, thank you for your time today, and looking forward to see you again soon.